Hello, my name is Alea of Cozy Crochet Co, where I show you how to crochet the cozy way. In today's video, we're doing some yarn mail and talking about what I'm doing with the yarn that I got in today's yarn mail and all the exciting projects that are going to be coming up. But before we get started, if you like yarn and crochet content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, like this video if you like videos like this, and comment down below your thoughts and opinions. I would love to hear them. I'm always in my comments, so I definitely want to hear from you guys. Also, if you want to support me, buy me a coffee. Make sure you turn on the notification bells so you know whenever I go live or post new content. And also, make sure you are following me on Instagram. I notice a lot in the lives you talk about the projects that you guys are working on, and I would love to see them. So if you have Instagram, make sure you follow me there and tag me in all your projects. My Instagram name is cozycrochet.co, and it'll also be linked in the description box as well. Okay, so with that being said, let's get into the video. So I actually, normally when I know that yarn mail is coming, I am like stalking the tracking and everything, so I know exactly when it gets here, and I know when to exactly like stand outside my door and wait for my boxes. But this one came during a live stream, so I decided to open it on live stream. So it was a real treat for everybody who was there. I did a live yarn unboxing, and so that's why it's really important for you guys to come to my live streams, because you never know what may happen. So yeah, I was doing a live, and then my husband came in. He said there's a box for you, and I'm like, oh, what's that? We got some yarn. So anybody who's at the live, they know what's already in the box, but I'm going to share the people who were not. So we got some anniversary cakes. Now I originally had the Caron anniversary cake in Grape Gala. I'll put a picture here. And I had that the first year I crocheted. I was in this crochet group on Facebook, and everybody was going wild for these anniversary cakes, and I got to Michael's late, and this was the only color that was there, was Grape Gala, and there was only one of it, and then the other cakes were absolutely destroyed and looked horrible. So I've only just had one anniversary cake, and unless you're doing like a garment, like a sweater or something, or maybe a vest, that's all you really can do with one anniversary cake. You can't really make a blanket. You kind of need two of them. So I decided, and since I had held on to that specific color for a while, a lot of people wanted that color, so I was able to sell it, and with that money, buy these two. Now, right now, as I'm speaking, Michael's does have these anniversary cakes for $25 each. Yes, $25 each. They are originally $39.99, but you can get them for $26 because $25.99 right now. So, but look at this color. I wanted this color for a very long time. This is in the color Chocolate Factory. It is just so gorgeous. All the neutrals, all like just I just was so happy that these came back. This color came back because originally this color was very much sought after, right? Everybody was trying to get their hands on this color once they sold out the first time around, and people were selling these for $60. I was this close to buying one for $60, but I kept hold fast because I was like, you know what? I need two of them anyway. I can't just buy one. So I was able to get this one and this one. I'm so excited. So I will be making a blanket, and on the live stream, you guys said that you wanted me to make a Tunisian crochet blanket with these. So that is what I'm going to be doing. Watch out, look out, keep an eye out for that Tunisian crochet blanket pattern with the anniversary cake. It's not going to be that far away. I'm thinking maybe like within a month or two I can probably get to this project, but I'm super excited because I need colors. I need a blanket in these colors. All right, so that is from Michael's. And next is some mail. Now, I have been really heavy into indie yarn dyers, especially on Instagram. And so this one is from Birch Grove. And you definitely should follow them on Instagram. I'll tag her Instagram down below. But I have just been falling in love with this one color, and it's always sold out. I finally was able to get my hands on it, and we are going to do a live unbagging. I just ripped it open, but I haven't like taken it out. So here we go. Alright, so it's in this bag, and that's her logo, Birch Grove. Okay. It's so nice. Okay, what's this? Oh, we have, you know what? I love stash tea. That's so crazy. And this is in peach and black tea. Nice. I love that. Thank you. All right. Are you ready? Okay, let me get the bigger one first. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, isn't that gorgeous? Ooh, this is giving me all the fall vibes. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. Oh. So this is in her cup, in the color Banquet. And this is her sock / fingering weight yarn. It is an 80/20 superwash merino and nylon. It's 400 yards, 100 grams. So look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so soft. And it smells just like merino. That is so gorgeous. All right. And then I got the set, the mini skein set. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And these are 5 8-yard, 20 grams. So altogether about 400 yards, right? And just putting these two together. Oh my gosh. Oh, I am in love. I am in love. There's nothing else in this bag. But oh my goodness, this is so gorgeous. Now she does this thing where like she has different colors. Like she does a variegation really well. Okay, this is just absolutely gorgeous. I really can't stop looking at it because if you know me, you know I love mauve. You know I love like the millennial pink color, like this color right here. It's showing up more like tan, but it's like a peachy millennial pink color is all I can say. And then these other ones are just absolutely gorgeous. And then you have the mini skein of it. But oh my gosh. I'm in love. This is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And I do have a project in mind for this as well. But I love it. I don't want to set them down. They're so gorgeous. Like, it's so pretty. I gotta do a close-up. It's so pretty. Ooh. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I do have a project in the back of my mind for this, but you probably won't see these again until like fall. So gorgeous. Definitely check her out. She has like different, she does a variegation really well. She has like a blue set that kind of looks like this. And then she did like a green one. If I could be an indie yarn dyer, this is exactly what my stuff would look like. These tones and stuff. I don't know how she does it. But they're absolutely gorgeous. But anyway, that's my yarn mail that I have for the past 2 weeks. I haven't really bought that much yarn. Maybe. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and as always, create something gorgeous. Bye guys.